Hi friends, I am back with my channel Knowledgeable Strategies. Hope you guys are doing well. It's been long, haven't made the video, so I have brought up today's topic is which is all things about Excel, all the basic things about Excel. This topic is going to be divided into 3-4 parts and I'll be covering each and everything about Excel. So do watch the entire video from the start, and yeah, do comment if you all have any queries related to this other than the video I will be uploading, and you all want to know more about Excel functions or anything related to Excel, you all can ask me in the comment section. So now we'll start with Excel. Firstly, I'll be showing all the things which is in the file function. So yeah, in this you'll have the info. Here it is protect workbook. I'll be showing here the options are provided as mark as final. So the workbook you all have made it if it is final, then you all can click this option mark as final and to other viewers. If you all share this workbook to other viewers, then they will receive it as only read only. They can't do anything in the Excel file. It is marked as final, so they can't do anything. It's in the read only format for them. Second, if you all want the privacy, if you all have any office document or anything, then you all can keep a password to open this workbook. Then you all can go in this function. If you all want to protect the current sheet, like if you all want that people can't do the changes, if you want they can change in they can do this changes in this sheet, that would only be happen other all you all can protect your current sheet. Whatever things you all want to control, you all can control that time. You can choose this option. Then the protect workbook structure, prevent unwanted changes to the structure of the workbook, such as adding sheets. So if you all have made your Excel sheet, and in that you have taken sheet 1, sheet 2, but now we all don't want to now we all don't want any third person to add the third sheet, fourth sheet, then you all can use this function, this option. Then restrict access, grant people access while removing their ability to edit, copy or print. So restrict, like you all can't edit, copy or print anything, then you all can restrict this access. You all can have the remove their ability to edit, copy or print. So you all can choose this option when you want to restrict the access. And lastly, over here, you all can add a digital signature. If you all have a workbook and it's a office document or anything, or you all have made any document with like bill or anything, and you all want digital signature, then you all can add the digital signature from here. Like it will be invisible digital signature and your document will be protected. Now inspect workbook. Like check the workbook. If you all have the workbook of hidden properties or some personal information in it, then you all can inspect your document. You all can check the document. Is there any hidden things or personal information provided? Then check the accessibility. Check the workbook for content that people with disabilities might find it difficult to read. So workbook content that people with disabilities find difficult to read. So you all need to check the accessibilities as well. So now you can check the accessibility over here. If people are disabled and they are finding it difficult to read the content, then you all can use the check accessibility. Through this option you all can check why people are finding, what the people are finding it difficult. People with disabilities, they can able to read the content using this option. Then check the compatibility. If the earlier version and the latest version both have the new features or anything, and the earlier features are not supported to this feature, then you all can check the compatibility from here. Then manage workbooks. If you all have saved some files and you all have not saved it, you all have prepared few files but you all have not saved it, then you all can browse through this option, the unsaved files. And if you all have made 3-4 recent copies of the files but you all have not saved it, then you all can delete using this option. You all can delete those files using the unsaved workbooks. Then over here is the, if you all have prepared the Excel workbook or the worksheet, and if it should be viewed in on the web, then you all can use this option that what users can see on the web, how the workbook will be viewed in the web. So this option is used when you all want to browse it in the web, so what users can see in that workbook. So this option is used that time. Now the new is when you all want a new workbook, then you all can use this new blank workbook. Already you all have opened one workbook or worksheet, but you all have to open new workbook, then you all can use this option. Then you all have made many files, Excel files, and you all want to open any one of them from them, then you all can use this option, open. Then if you all want to save this workbook, then you all can use this option. If you all have already saved one workbook and you all have made some few changes and then you all want to save it again, then you all can save, use save as option. Already I have made one file, and in next file I want to make few changes, then I'll save it as save as. Then if I want to print this workbook, then I'll use the print option. If there are 2-3 users for this workbook, then if I want to share this workbook with other of my colleagues or anyone, then I'll be using the share option. Export. If I want to export this file, I'll be showing this option. Like I want to create a PDF. This is the Excel file. But if I want to change the option, like from Excel to PDF, or I want to change file type, then I'll be using export option. Publish. Like if I want to save this option to cloud, like for today, in future my laptop or anything PC doesn't work out and I have saved it to my file, but if I save it to cloud, then the files which I have saved it will be there forever. Like even though I format my laptop or anything, I can find this file in the cloud. And close. This will be closed. Accounts, if there is any. So over here you will get all the, when it is activated and all the further details and options. So these are the general options which you will find it over here as well, like the general. We'll check out if there is anything other than over here the options which are provided, then we'll check out over here. Now I'll show you over here the few things. I'll type something. So here I selected this option. I want to make it as bold. Bold, it is done as big. This all. So now we'll take all the options from here. Firstly, this option. If I want to cut this will be cut from here and I'll paste it over here. Then the entire it is cut and paste. Then Ctrl Z. You all can even use Ctrl X. I have prepared the shortcut keys file as well. So if you all want, I'll be providing the link of the shortcut keys in my description. So you all can check with it. From here, you all can use the cut option from here. It's even Ctrl X. See, you all will check. You all can see over here. And I have even made the Excel. I have even made the video on shortcut keys. I'll be providing link in my description. This is the shortcut key for undo is Ctrl Z. Then if I want to copy these options, I can even copy it. The same will be pasted, but over here it is there. Copy paste. That was cut paste. Then if I want something same, then I can use the format painter. Like it's bold over here and there is nothing bold over here. So this are also got bold. The same thing. Format painter is if there is something with the font or the bold or italic or underline, then you all can use the format painter option. Then the fonts. Over here you all can use any of the fonts, like it's Calibri Light or Calibri. I'll show here. I'll be showing the fonts. Yeah, it is changing. Whichever font you all want, you all can use it from here. If the size, if you all want big, small size, there is then bold, italic, it will be slant, underline, everything you all can use from here. Then over here, if you all want the border line, then you all can use no border. Or you all want the dark border, then you can use dark border. Anything you can use. The borders are provided over here. And there are more borders. You can even draw the borders. Like if you want any border this way, you can even draw it. Then the color. If you want to color any of the colors, you can use for color filling. Then you can use this. And for the font, it is other color. Then these are the fonts are increasing and this is the fonts are decreasing. Then this is alignment. If you I'll show it this way. If you want the alignment over the left side or the right side or in between, it is this alignment is just changing in this part, like up down, but this is changing entirely, like in between, then right side, and again undo, and these are the options which is also used for alignment. If you all want, you all can use this. These are the options for alignment, all these options. Then this will be used as anti-clockwise, how we all want it, or this way. You can change the angle, rotate text up, down. You can use these options. Then now I'll type something. What is your name? And I want to, this is the width, then the line, like it is not fitting up. Either I can increase the size of the row, or else I can even use the wrap text. So the text is wrapped into that box itself. This way you all can do. Other things is what is, and I'll be using your name, but this is showing as different, so I can even merge and say. So this is like if I'm using the merge and center. It's not possible as I have already typed the name. If I do it, then it will just be the cells are merged, but you will find only what is. So when you all want to use the merge and center, then you all can do first merge and center, and then you all can type the whatever you all want to type. What is your name? It's fit when the cells are merged. Either you all can use merge and wrap text, or you all can use the merge and center. Then the next. Now I'll type over here something 23, 45 or anything 19, and now I'll show this all options. These are general function, no specific format is being used, but this is number, so you all will get 0.00. You can even show it as currency like rupees or anything. If you all want it in accounting, it's shown as rupees only. Then if I'll type the date, or today's date is 16/4/22. So if I want the date, short date or the long date, it will be 16th April. You can change the formula how you all want it, or change the function like how you all want it, the format. If you all wanted 16/04, 16th April, now the time is 17:52 or 5:52 p.m. So over here you all can show it as time. Long, no, it's date, over here the time, or the percentage, fraction or anything. Over here I'll show it as percentage thing. You can use it over here. Percent. It will be as 4500%. You're using the percentage. Fraction. If it's a fraction or any specific scientific things, like you all can use this. Then you all have more formats, more number formats, anything like text or special text format. Cells are treated as text. Number is in the cell, then also they will be treated as text only. Like if I use over here text special, like there will be alignment, font, border, field protection and the custom. These are different formats which can be, you all can use it, like just a 0. Any of these formats you all can use for this functions. The samples have been shown over here. Okay, this is the normal format things. Now one more thing I'll show it. The percentage and everything I showed it. Then you all can use the which type you all want, dollar or anything, any currency, whichever you all want it. Then over here it's the percentage, again the comma, and yeah, over here if you all want to increase the zeros or decrease the zeros. These are all functions till here I have shown. If you all think anything more for this functions, first is the file and the home. Till here I have completed. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channels, and for more videos press the bell icon button. And yeah, if you all have any queries related to this function, file and home till here, then you all can comment in the comment section. For other functions like insert, page or formulas, everything I'll be covering in my next video. And yeah, there will be many more parts for this Excel, basic Excel functions. So firstly do watch this part, so it will be helpful for you all to recollect with the other part. So This would make you understand in a easier way. So if you find this video helpful, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And for more videos, notification, press the bell icon button. And I'll be making more videos related to basic details about the Excel. So do watch this entire video and wait for the other videos. I'll be uploading it soon. So yeah, if you all have any query or anything else you all want to know related to Excel for which I have explained in this topic, then you all can do comment in the comment section. So this is it. Thank you.